creativity is not merely an art form but a lens through which we perceive our world. However, the journey of growth and learning reveals a pivotal challenge when a child struggles to express this innate gift. This segment, titled The Creative Challenge, delves into the realm where creativity remains an unspoken language for some. Surrounded by peers, a child grapples with articulating their imagination, marking the beginning of our exploration. Why is creativity indispensable in child development? It fosters self-expression, problem-solving skills, and a multifaceted view of the world, essential for navigating the complexities of life. Through the story of a child facing expressive hurdles, we spotlight the silent struggle encountered by many. As we progress, it becomes evident that every child possesses a unique potential to transcend these barriers. With nurturing guidance and ample opportunities, transforming doubt into creative expression is not only feasible but profound. At the heart of every child is a latent spark awaiting ignition, destined to transform into a flame of creativity. Journey of Discovery, our subsequent segment, embarks deeper into the stages of creative exploration and learning. Here, we are met with a vivid array of creative activities: painting, music, dance, and storytelling, with each child on a personal expedition of discovery. From the bold strokes on canvas to the melodies that fill the air, and the imaginative tales that are spun, we witness the unfettered expanse of creative potential. Guiding these journeys are educators and parents, embodying both compass and beacon, whose support is critical in shaping the creative spirits of tomorrow. This segment underscores that creativity encompasses not only the mind and hands but also the heart and soul, propelled by continuous encouragement. As we delve further, it becomes clear that the journey stretches beyond immediate forms of art, guiding children towards realizing their own potential to create, influence, and inspire in an ever-evolving tapestry of creativity. In life's intricate tapestry, creativity shines brightly, illustrating the transition from hesitation to expressive freedom. Our concluding segment captures this journey's culmination, where once tentative steps have evolved into confident strides. Children, previously overshadowed by doubt, now radiate with creative spirit, their endeavors showcased in a mosaic of projects and performances. This celebration of creative expression is a vivid testament to their untapped potential coming to the fore. Each melody, script, and painted canvas is a narrative of endless creativity, mirrored not only in the art but also in the joyful confidence of its creators. As this chapter concludes, let us embrace the infinity of creativity, nurturing it to flourish within each child. The artist within awaits, eager to compose their own masterpieces, reminding us of the vast possibilities that creativity unlocks.